Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka Business Advisory Committee ka Meghalaya Legislative Assembly hakasngit ho diang kalamanjur ban Pynlong ya ka Dorbar Synrai ka ban sedang ha ka arpu sau Tarik berkan kut Haduh ka arpu pra Tarik Nailar arajar arpu Henry u lampang ka yang Dorbar Thawan ka jila u Thomas A Sangma ha bekran shikilar pathai kebor hadian ka Chingalang ka BAC u laong ka committee kalamanjur ka Ching terwa yakini Tarik ha ka Chingalang la dan lang u sembut menteri rang ba ka jila u ba Presiden Pynlong u badai pet ya ka tenat Parliamentary Affairs, Unang Yalam Kaliang Persha u Dr. Mukul Sangma, u Chief Whip Kaliang Persha u Ba Charles Pingruk, u Secretary ka Meghalaya Legislative Assembly u Malthus S. Sangma, berkiwei ki dukhan. U lampang u laong bahkan ka Dorbar ba Sngi, kan kentup lai Sngi na kabenta ka government business, but ar Sngi na kabenta ki private members business. Habakran halor ka Chingdingkot Jong Kapor, u Thomas Sangma u Lepentikna, Baunya le kat bala ban Ailat di gidukot kaliang sensyar bat kaliang persyaru. Baginya yo bentalang kaju kalat bandra yakimat badan kam na kabenta upai ba. Ulampang uloong biang babaru gidukot ki bawan ha Chingalang ha Business Advisory Committee bagentup unang yalam kaliang persya. Kilometer lang ya kani Cinterwa na kabenta ban Pynlong ya ka Dorbar Synrai.
The Meghalaya Legislative Assembly had the Business Advisory Committee meeting to chalk out the calendar for the autumn session, and today the BAC had agreed upon having a 5-day autumn session commencing from 24th of August 2026 till which is Monday, and till 28th August 2026, which is Friday. So we are going to have 5 days of autumn session, wherein there will be 3 business government business days and 2 private members business will be held. So the BSc had agreed upon, and it was attended by the Chief Minister, Deputy Chief Minister in charge Parliamentary Affairs, Leader of the Opposition, Dr. Mukul M. Sangma, and Opposition Chief Whip, Mr. Charles Pingruk. I will try my best to accommodate all the members concerned, and I will see that all members get the opportunities to express their concerns at the floor of the House.